Y'all ever tried this one? That's where it's at. Well, this is what we're working with today, boys. Went through the drive-thru the other day and I heard a clunk. And I guess that was the end of that. Luckily, I got this 5-inch exhaust kit ready to go. This is everything it comes with. A bag of clamps and hardware. This clamp holds the exhaust onto the downpipe. Don't be fooled, it was way harder to get off than it looks. It had become one with the pipe. It had the 2-piece exhaust mod. Alright, it's the next day. I got most of the exhaust on the truck. I'm just working on the part right here that goes over the axle. It says I have to cut 13 inches off if I have a short bed, which I do, obviously. Those clamps are a total pain in the ass, just for anyone wondering. This is the Mbrp kit, and the clamps go around the pipe and then share the nut with the hanger, so you're constantly kind of fighting to get the hangers on. Anyway, I'm going to cut this to fit. We'll see how it goes. I only have one blade. Oh yeah, I like butter. That actually worked a lot better than I thought it was gonna work. Okay, I got it all the way installed. There it is off the downpipe. Comes back by the transmission. And there's this flange that you have to bolt up. And I think it's only technically 4-inch till then. And then it goes to 5. The hardest part was getting these hangers, these exhaust hangers lined up with the clamps. That one looks kind of like it might not hold. I'm gonna drive it and see. Okay, I didn't put the last elbow on because I decided I'm just gonna dump it above the axle. I think it looks a lot cleaner, and I've always wanted to do that look. For comparison, here's my old tip, which I think is a 4.5, and here's my new tip. It's an Amazon special, but it's a 7-inch. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Got her installed. I'm loving the way that looks. I think it looks awesome. I'm going to take that spare tire out. I tried to loosen it just now. I couldn't get it to come down, so I'm probably going to have to cut it or something. I want to take off those nasty mud flaps too. Those are like original. Let's do a cold start. She hasn't been started yet today. a lot louder at idle. Can't believe how much louder it is just idling. That's crazy. I can't believe how good that sounds. It sounds way deeper than it did before. I'm in love. That sounds so good. All right, y'all. Listen to this thing. I think I'm in love. This sounds and looks so good. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm stoked. I love the look of it right there. I think once I did some mud flaps in the spare tire, it's gonna look perfect. Turned out exactly how I wanted. I was thinking about putting that last elbow on so it came out behind the rear tire, but I like the way it sounds now. I think I'm just gonna leave it. All right, I think that's it for me. I love it. I should have done this mod earlier. Take off that crappy rusty exhaust that was on there. This sounds way good. I'm gonna stop rambling. But if you want this kit, I recommend it. I'll link it in the description. It's actually for an LB7 because the LBZ kit had cats. So if you get one for an LBZ, you'll have to have a spot for a muffler and a cat, where the LB7 is just a straight through kit. But it hooks up fine, the same everything. And then just depending on if you have a crew cab, extended cab, short bed or long bed, you'll have to modify, cut or trim to make it fit your specific truck. Yeah, that's it for me. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.